Hello, everybody. I am Dr. Brian O'Neill. I'm a biology professor at UWW, and I teach a variety of courses like aquatic biology, community ecology, introductory biology for non-majors, and also this course, Biology 214, Ecology and Society. I like this course topic because it kind of combines a lot of things that I'm really interested in. Basically, how ecology, in this case the natural world, interacts with humans and society. And we're going to talk a little bit, I'm going to be bringing in a lot of economics actually, and talking about how through, pulling different levels in the economy, I can actually change society to work better with ecology or the natural world. So think about pacing in this course. The rule of thumb for any kind of college level class is that if you have 1 hour in class, you have 2 hours outside of work of class. Okay, so this is why we have you take 15 credits during one semester. That means like 15 hours in class per week, and then 30 hours out, which means total 45 hours a week, which equals to like a full-time job, therefore full-time student. So for this course, it's a little different. A normal semester, a normal fall spring semester, you'd have 16 weeks of course, where you'd have 3 hours of class per week equals 48 in-class hours. Now, then you take that times 2 for the 2 hours outside of class is 96 out of class hours for a total of 144 hours of work in this course. We have that to do that in 20 days, which means in these 20 days, you could be spending up to 7 hours per day on this course. Now, are you going to do that? Probably not. I think you can get this course done faster than that, and this is probably an overestimate of how much time, but I do want it to be a reality check for those of you that have never taken a fast-paced summer course done in 3 weeks. You're going to have to be spending multiple hours per day on this course, and if you skip one day, you're really going to get behind extremely quickly. Okay, so don't skip a couple days. That's going to be a big problem for you. So how this class goes is it's broken up into 13 units, and each unit kind of has a basic structure. There's a beginning thoughts assignment, which will just be you writing a short paragraph of a prompt that I give you, and you responding to that, just to kind of get some thoughts moving in for the unit. It'll be a related topic to what we'll be learning in the unit, and then we might revisit that in the unit assignment. But so we start with the beginning thoughts. Then what you should do next is read the book, the chapter that is corresponding to that. Now, then there'll be video lectures, which will be some things in the book, some things taken from other stuff, or parallel, where the book will explain it one way and I'll explain it a different way, which is great because then you can get two perspectives. But there'll be other stuff that won't be in the book. The unit quiz then kind of tests you on the book chapter, and the video lectures, so it'll come from both of those. Then there'll be a podcast. Now, not every unit has a podcast, but I think out of the 13, like 11 of them do. I forget how many there are right now. But then there's a podcast quiz. So the podcast quiz has some multiple choice questions, and then a short writing question for that. And then every other unit, you'll have an assignment where you'll have 2 essays to write, and that'll be for 10 points each essay, and so for 20 points, right? Now, there are then 2 exams, which are 60 points each, one after Unit 5, and then one after Unit 13. It's, final stuff. They're not cumulative exams, so the final is only Units 6 through 13. I will tell you that all units must be done in order, and basically everything needs to be completed before you move on to the next unit. This course does build, and I will require you to know like previous information to answer some of the questions. You just won't understand it for some of this stuff. What I want to say is, overall, I really want you to come talk to me. So I will have office hours by appointment pretty much throughout these whole 3 weeks of this course. Just email me at o'neillb@uww.edu. And I want to be talking to you. I want to be interacting with you as much as possible. It's not required, but please come talk to me. I oftentimes tell my students that the most underutilized resource on campus is actually talking to their professors. So that's part of my job descriptions, why I'm into teaching. I like talking to you all, so please don't hesitate to come talk to me. All right, with that, we'll see you later.